The countdown to DJI Mini 5 Pro is about to end, and what began as a quiet rumor has now exploded into a full-on leak storm. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. This week alone we've seen everything from folding animations to retail packaging and even pricing leaks that suggest a big upgrade but without a bigger price tag. Leading the charge is trusted drone leaker Jasper Ellens, who posted a video animation on X showing the ultra-lightweight drone folding and unfolding. He didn't stop there. Ellens also uncovered the price for the Fly More combo bundle, which appears to be €1,129, the same as the Mini 4 Pro's current price. An upgraded version for the same price? Yes, please. And those rumored upgrades, they're impressive. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to include a 1-inch sensor, 4K at 120 frames per second video, and even onboard LiDAR. It doesn't stop here, but the Mini 5 Pro will also have a 24mm f1.8 lens, a 48mm telephoto mode, and an enhanced gimbal with 225 degrees of movement, including vertical shooting for social content, which makes it a great pick for influencers. That's not quite all. It will have the Fly More Combo Plus packaging, which includes the RC2 controller and 3 Flight Battery Plus units, each offering up to 52 minutes of flight time. That's well above the typical 36-minute battery life. Though it may come with a trade-off, the extra power could increase the drone's weight over the 250-gram limit, potentially triggering drone regulations for users hoping to fly without registration. With all these hints pouring in, it all signals that an official reveal is coming in the upcoming weeks. Are you waiting for this drone too? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you stay updated with more tech news.